I talk to business owners all the time who understand the importance of video content for their website and for their marketing needs. I can't tell you how many times these exact same business owners talk about how intimidated they are to be on camera. So I'm here to demystify what goes on behind the scenes at Klein Creative Media, so you're going to feel comfortable coming into our studio and doing a shoot with us. Come on, let's take a look. We've got our director's chairs here, where a lot of times I have clients sit in the chair if they're more comfortable sitting, but a lot of times they stand. So this is where you would be standing. There's a green screen behind you, and the magic of green screen is I can cut out the green screen and you can be standing anywhere. Like right now I'm standing in front of the green screen, but with a cut, you can be on Mars. Or with another cut, you could be in the North Pole. With another cut, you could be anywhere you want to be. The green screen is super cool. We don't have to use the green screen, but we can. We have a full makeup area, so depending on the look you're going for, we can hire a professional hair and makeup person to make you look like a superstar on camera. So while you're standing on your mark, you get the perfect view of the teleprompter. So having a teleprompter is a game changer. You don't have to memorize your lines. The only thing you have to worry about is working on your delivery. And don't worry, because we'll work on that together. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you feel less intimidated to be on camera, and you give me a call and you book your video now.